Hi, I'm Trish Stuart, and I'm going to be teaching this workshop called Creating Collages at AQS in Fall, Paducah, 2019. I hope you're considering taking this workshop. So many people have wanted to do the collage work, and they're intimidated by it. So I'm going to show you just how simple it can be. You don't have to have bought a pattern from somebody else, and I'm not saying that you won't want to do that in the future, because I think there are some amazing patterns out there that allow you to create absolutely stunning collage work. But I want to show you how to take your own image. Say you have a photograph of your granddaughter or your dog or your house, and you want to create your own collage that has personal meaning for you. How do you take that? How do you translate that and make that into a pattern that you can go in and create your own collage? So I take you from how to use a photograph and how to transfer the photograph into imagery that allows you to know where to place your values, how to look at fabrics so that you're looking at scale and size is scale, colors, values. How do you use all of those together? This is an intro. How do you know what to do so that you can create your own collages? And then it also helps you, if you have been doing someone else's collages in their patterns, to know where to place things. And it doesn't matter what your collage is about. It all uses the same basic concept. So this is to help you get to be a little bit less intimidated by it, and also give you the tools to make your own collage. I hope I see you in Paducah, Fall Paducah, AQS, and that you are in my workshop. You'll love it.